Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is confidential mode in Gmail. So confidential mode in Gmail is a built-in feature that allows users to send emails with extra privacy controls, helping to protect sensitive information. So when you want to send an email in confidential mode, the recipient cannot forward, copy, print, or download the message or any attachment that you send them. You can also set an expiration date. Here you can see it. It could be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. Also you can require a SMS passcode for opening the email, which of course adds a second layer of protection. This is especially useful when sending some personal, financial, or some business information. However, it's important to note that confidential mode doesn't offer true end-to-end encryption, because Google still has the ability to access the content that is being shared if it's needed. So while this confidential mode can add some privacy, it's not suitable for transmitting highly sensitive or regulated data without other security measures. Now you know what is confidential mode in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.